Hey everyone, this is Tim from Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hear sounds easier on your PlayStation 5 with autofocus. So if we press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, go on over to sounds, and scroll on down onto here. And there's an accessibility feature called autofocus. Makes soft sounds clearer when using headphones. Select a wide frequency of ranges to amplify. Just turn this on, and it's going to boost the audio. Then we can go to specific ones. Boost quiet sounds is probably best for footsteps. Boost high pitch. Boost voices, specifically amplify voice chats, character voices, and other middle frequency sounds. Then we have boost low pitch right here. So just turn this on, and then you can go to strong adjustment, weak, or medium here, depending on if it distorts the sound a little bit too much. But it's cool to just try this out in specific games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.